can use ChatGPT to help us get some great manifestations to help us get through our day, help us achieve our dreams, take the steps we need to get there, and stay motivated and inspired to do so. For the biggest thing we want to do is never quit. Okay? So today we're going to ask ChatGPT some simple questions to see what we can come up with. Let's start with something simple. Hello. Can you give me some great manifestations? Let's keep it real simple. I like to talk to ChatGPT like it's a real person. That's what it really likes. Here we go. Certainly manifestations can widely vary depending on your goals, desires, and intentions. Here are some general areas: personal growth, abundance and prosperity, health and well-being, relationships, career and success, creativity and inspiration, spiritual growth. Remember, the key to successful manifestation often involves clarity, positive intent, and belief in the possibility of what you can desire. Create affirmations that resonate with you personally and repeat them with conviction, deeply feeling them. It's the only way this really works. It's the way a law of attraction works. You're sending out that vibration. You want that vibration to come back with the things that you're hoping for. Additionally, maintain a positive mindset and gratitude for what you already have. It can enhance it, very much so. Alright, so there are a lot of good ones here. It can help you in many ways: career and success, creativity and inspiration, abundance and prosperity, and personal growth. All definitely can help you achieve your financial freedom, goals, and dreams for your family and yourself. But today we're going to go with the can I get some more manifestations from number 2. It'll automatically know that we were talking about abundance and prosperity. See, here's some more. I am a money magnet and I attract financial abundance effortlessly. My income is constantly increasing and I am open to new streams of wealth. Man, these are good. These are really good. ChatGPT hooked us up here. I release any fear or resistance around money and welcome prosperity into my life. I am grateful for the abundance that surrounds me in every aspect of my life. Every dollar I spend comes back to me multiplied in positive ways. I am aligned with the energy of abundance and I attract prosperity with ease. I trust that the universe provides me in abundance and I am deserving of all good things. Wealth and success are drawn to me like a magnet and I graciously accept them. I am a conscious creator of my financial reality and I choose to manifest wealth. The more I give, the more I receive, and I am open to the flow of abundance. Wow, these are very good. Feel free to customize these affirmations to better resonate with your personal beliefs and goals. That's a very good idea too. Consistent repetition of these positive statements, combined with a genuine belief in their truth, can help align your mindset with abundance and attract positive financial experiences into your life. Thank you. You're welcome. I love it. It's right there, man. So many people are using these to create great things. But we want to use it today to help you create the steps you need to achieve your dreams. Manifesting is the first thing. Belief, followed up with decisive decisions and active steps to pursue your dreams. Man, these are good. All right, I'm going to go over a few more of these right quick, repetitively like, I am a money magnet and I attract financial abundance effortlessly. I am a money magnet and I attract financial abundance effortlessly. I am a money magnet and I attract financial abundance effortlessly. I release any fear or resistance around money and welcome prosperity into my life. I release any fear or prosperity into my life. I release any fear or resistance around me and welcome prosperity into my life. The more I give, the more I receive. I am open to the flow of abundance. The more I give, the more I receive. I am open to the flow of abundance. I want to give you this information to help you open up the flow of abundance. That's what we're here for. So at this point, I'd like to thank you for your time. I hope you enjoyed these manifestations and creating on ChatGPT. This is one of the quickest and easiest ways that you can create manifestations using AI to help you get to where you need to get to. Because some days you just don't have the ideas. You can't sit there and think about it. You're too stressed. You need to get back to positive cycles. This is definitely a way to do it. Come in here, chat with ChatGPT, and get you some manifestations and affirmations. It's really good too. We'll throw a few of those in here at the end. I know it's the main part of the video, but affirmations as well, please. And we'll do another video with this. We'll probably add a couple of these manifestations to our daily videos and our reels, so check back for some of those if you'd like some more guidance. Thank you for your time, many blessings, and let's get together and take the steps we need to succeed and achieve financial freedom for you and your family, success in life, have the time to spend with your family and friends. It's just a big thing in life, spend time with one another, not forget the good parts. It's great. Count that as a bonus. It's definitely a bonus, not the main attraction. I'm out. Knowledge and love. Like and subscribe for more videos like this.